Hello everyone. Let's talk about genetic testing in IVF today, especially genetic testing of the embryos. Today I will tell you about pre-implantation genetic testing, which is the test offered for patients who have repeated implantation failure or who already carry a genetic disease and they want that disease to be eradicated for their child. So what we do in this test is, after the IVF is done and embryos are cultured in the lab, on day 5 of embryo development, which is called the blastocyst stage, we take out 3 or 4 cells from the blastocyst, and those cells will carry the genetic material which is there for the rest of the embryo as well. So those cells are sent for testing, and the genetic makeup of those cells will tell us about whether the embryo is healthy or not and whether that embryo contains that disease or not. If we have asked for any particular disease, that will be told, and accordingly the normal embryo can be transferred. This is really helpful for women who are above the age of 35, who have a higher risk of having genetically abnormal child like Down syndrome. So it can be checked before transferring the embryos. We can check the embryo whether it is healthy, so that chance of abortion and termination of pregnancy later on can be reduced.